Hey guys. How are you today? This is a Project Pocket Life page, and it goes really quick. Well, I mean, it didn't when I was doing it, but when I speed it up, it's probably the shortest video, aside from maybe hauls or something, that I've ever done. But most of the little layouts are not really embellished or anything. They were quick and easy little layouts that I did. But I am in my living room, so if you hear a kid come through, that's because my husband's in the bedroom sleeping and I didn't want to get in there. I just got back from church, and I know I've been meaning to do this voiceover since Friday, and it's Sunday. But hold on, let me think about it. I think I do all citrus twist. Pretty sure I just use citrus twist on this. I've already combined my July kit with all my other ones, so it is a mix of, sorry about the glare too, by the way. It is a mix really of just all my kits that I have everything left over from. Oh, excuse me. Excuse me. Gracious. Something to tickle my nose. But, man, the glare is bad. I should have paid more attention to that, but I did not. So, that'll be there. Anywho, the pictures are of Gabriel's birthday, which this is Mr. Gabriel. And, that picture on the left is of him handing he told Nana that he wanted jewelry for his birthday. And she made him some, because my mommy's crafty like that. And then the right picture is, I believe, some action figures, because he is over the moon for wrestling figures. He loves wrestling and everything to do with it, so. I think, yeah, I do some stamping. This, I have no idea which stamp set this is. I'm sorry, guys. I'm the worst at remembering anything, really. But here we are. I believe that's the only one I stamp on, too. And on this card, I use, because these papers are from different older packs, but I've cut them down to the 4x6, because they came in 6x8s, I believe. And one of them, because I wanted to get a little bit of different color in there, I just chopped it right in half. Chopped it, oh gracious. Chopped it right in half. And one of the 4x6s I put a piece on, and then I put a piece on the other 4x6 as well. And I add a few labels here and there because I'm noticing I'm starting to get a little bit of a lot of them. But this heart was one of the free printables. And you go onto the website and you can print them out on different paper and stuff. And I printed mine on adhesive, like label paper. Cut them out. Now the heart I did not cut out very well, but here we are. And here I'm struggling with a sticker there. That one as well was part of the printed parts, and I couldn't get the backing off of it. And that's why the video is longer than it is, because I struggled with that for like 2 minutes, I think. And I was like, man, I need to cut that out, but I'm not that tech savvy yet. Sorry. This is him just holding up the moolah, because that's what everybody gets them. Any of my kids, especially the older ones, because everything they want is too stinking expensive nowadays. So all the grandparents are like, here, do what you want with it. Sorry about my sniffles. When I sneeze, I sniffle for at least 3 minutes. Well, we're going on 5 probably, but this is the other piece. And I wanted the black part to be up in the right corner because when I tried it in the left bottom, the table blended in too much from when he's blowing out his birthday cake. Now let me tell you about this birthday cake real quick, okay? He loves strawberries, alright? Every year he wants a strawberry birthday cake. So I call myself, you know, like really doing it up. Which I should know better by now because they don't appreciate it, first off. Second, he didn't even eat any of his birthday cake because I tried to step outside of the box just a tad, and he was there while I was making it, and he saw me step outside of the box. I didn't put icing in the middle layer. I put jelly, strawberry jelly. Now this cake was thebomb.com, okay? Everybody loved it. He'll never know what it tastes like because he never ate one stinking piece because there wasn't icing in the middle. And that, my friends, is life in a nutshell for me. This is just him wearing his jewelry the next day. I took a picture of it because I wanted to show Nana that he really, really loved all his jewelry that she made for him. But yeah, that's my daughter and my niece on his birthday. And they were getting along for a change, so we had to document that. And this card is just one that, you know, she Miss Tina always sends Trina always sends like a little extra card, and that's this one. So if you're ever struggling how to use it, that's one way to use it. Just cover up all the writing, which, I mean, that's pretty much what you do anyway, so. And I think the next picture is, oh no, I do the cards, that's right. So I keep these like filler cards pretty simple because I believe they both have words on them, and just wanted to embellish them a little bit. Man, my camera was all over the place, wasn't it? Yeah, this is kind of a closer picture of the cake because I had purchased some strawberries to just kind of decorate with them, which I didn't dry off very well, so they started sliding a little bit. So just a few notes. If your kid is not liking change, which none of mine do, well, my daughter's pretty cool with change, but don't deviate from what they say, because they won't eat it. I mean, none of the cake was thrown out. It was all eaten, but, you know, it was his birthday, and he still didn't eat a stinking piece of it, so. But that's about it. I bring in the extra card over, and that's it all I do, guys. So this one I keep real simple. I just use a few little things here and there, and one word sticker. So, but you guys have a great rest of your day, great Sunday. If you're seeing this later, just have a great day. Remember to craft just a little bit, get some of your creativity out, and have a great day, because it always makes my day better. So that is, after I get it straight here, the end result of my happy time. I hope you guys have a great rest of your week, and I'll talk at you later. Bye.